Hey Ritesh, welcome to our audience ask segment, and here are my few quick questions for you. My first one: who is your favorite photographer?
My favorite photographer is this lady called Janet Haglund. I think she's European, and she is into architecture and pattern. So her work is just a visual treat. I never get tired looking at it. I'm a big fan of her work. I don't think she's that famous, but she has a decent followers on Instagram. You can probably check it out on this handle. Her handle name is Ethna_11, I think. Yeah.
Superb. My next one: a piece of non-design advice for designers is
Travel, meet new people from different cultures, observe them, understand them, learn from them. This will help you immensely in your career.
great. My next one: who is your design hero?
Oh, the one and only Kareem Rashid and the great James Dyson.
Wow, exciting. My next one: what should be the key strategy of a UX designer?
I think it should be problem solving, communication, and storytelling.
Superb. And my last one: a book that every designer should read.
Okay, so that would be The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. So this book is not about design; it's about imagination. Like it's going to be amazing if you read it. Like so, if you do end up reading it, let me know on LinkedIn. Hit me up, and I would love to connect with you.
Wow, interesting. So that's an open invitation to our listeners that if you land up reading this book, do catch up with Ritesh on LinkedIn. And I'm sure that there are new possibilities of jointly working together. Thank you so much, Ritesh, for doing this with us.
Thank you. It was really a pleasure. Thank you so much for having me.